Hello everyone, I am Simran and today I am going to discuss about the topic coordinate geometry. But before discussing the coordinate geometry, we have some more terms which are used in this topic and we have to clear them firstly. Now the first term is ordered pair. What is an ordered pair? An ordered pair is a pair of two numbers which are listed in a specific order. Suppose we have two numbers A and B such that A is at first place and B is at second place. And these two numbers are separated by commas and enclosed within open bracket. This is the representation of an ordered pair. For example, if we take A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3, then we have 2, 3 is our required ordered pair. In generally, we have ordered pair AB is not equal to ordered pair BA. But this equality holds in some conditions. For example, that is A ordered pair AB is equal to ordered pair BA if and only if A is equal to B. I hope definition of ordered pair is clear to you all. Now I am going to tell you the verbal definition of coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is that branch of mathematics in which geometrical problems are solved through algebra using the coordinate system. And now I am going to tell you what is coordinate system, what is Cartesian plane, what are coordinate axes and much more. So let us discuss them one by one. First of all, I am going to tell you coordinate axes. For this we have to take two mutually perpendicular lines. Suppose these two lines be x dash o x and y o y dash. Such a manner that they are intersecting at a point O. So these are two mutually perpendicular lines which are intersecting at a point O. And these lines be x dash o x, y o y dash. Now these two lines combiningly known as coordinate axes, and the horizontal lines which we obtain from this figure means x dash o x is known as x-axis and the vertical line y o y dash is known as y-axis, and the point O in this plane is known as origin. And by combining these two lines which are mutually perpendicular to each other and intersecting at a point, we get this whole figure. And this whole figure is known as Cartesian plane. Clear? Now moving further, I am going to tell you where in this plane positive integer lies, where negative integer lies and much more. So we are going to discuss it one by one. So on x-axis, firstly on x-axis, every unit which are on right hand side of y-axis represent the positive integers. And every unit which are on left hand side of y-axis represents the negative integers. Similarly on y-axis, every unit above the x-axis represent the positive integers and every unit below the x-axis represents the negative integers, and up to so on. Now it is clear to you all. Now I am moving further. I am going to tell you the points which are on x-axis are known as x coordinate or abscissa, and the points which are on y-axis is known as y coordinate, or simply we can say them ordinates. Now I am going to tell you how we can find coordinate of a point. Suppose we have a point on this plane, suppose if we have a point on this plane, suppose let it be here and this point be M. We have to find the coordinate of this point. Now I am going to tell you what is definition of coordinate. Coordinate, we represent each point in a plane by mean of an ordered pair of real number. Means this is a point P in this plane, and we have to find coordinate of this point. Coordinate of this point always be in the form of an ordered pair, where A represent x coordinate and B represent y coordinate. Now we have to find the value of A and B, means we have to find the value of x coordinate and y coordinate. So for this we have to draw perpendicular, say it be PM perpendicular to x axis, means PM perpendicular to x dash O x. Now x coordinate is equal to distance of point P from y-axis. Where is our y-axis? This is our y-axis, and the distance from y-axis to point P. This is our point P, and this is our distance from y-axis to point P. And these are 1, 2, 3 units. So this is equal to OM, which is equal to 3 units. Clear? We have find the coordinate of x. Similarly, we can find coordinates of y. This is equal to distance of point P from x-axis. Join this point P to y-axis and find out this distance from x-axis, and this distance is equal to 2 units, and this is equal to PM, and this is equal to 2 units. So easily we can find x coordinate and y coordinate. If x coordinate and y coordinates are find out, then we can find the coordinates of point P, which is equal to P AB, which is equal to 3, 2. These are the coordinates of point P. Similarly, we can find coordinate of any point which we are given to us. Now, there is one more point. As we can say that these two lines divides our whole region in 4 parts. First, second, third, and fourth. These 4 regions are known as quadrants. These 4 regions are known as quadrants. This is our first quadrant, this is our second quadrant, this is our third quadrant, and this is our fourth quadrant. Here we can see that all the positive values are lies and positive values are of y-axis. Here x is always greater than 0 because all the values of x are positive. Similarly, values of y are always greater than 0, means y are always greater than 0, means here those point lies whose both coordinates are positive. Similarly, here x is less than 0 and y is greater than 0. Here those point lies whose coordinates are negative and positive, whose x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. Here both x is less than 0 and y is also less than 0, means here those points lies whose x as well as y coordinates are negative. And here x is positive but y is negative. X is greater than 0 and y is less than 0. Means here those point lies whose coordinates are negative and positive, means x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. That is all for today's video. Thank you.